2 girls, 2 boys. Girls are names. The 2 girls' names are Hershey and Teddy. The 2 boys are Grizzly and Jax. Jax. So here's some mama girl. Mama. She is very protective. Mom, young man, Teddy at first. Oh, I don't want to see. Let's get him in a good background. We want to make sure that they do get home, but they do get home sometimes. But I think they do have home. So I'm going to say, this is her white chest. She does not like. And 2 back feet. Oh, next I guess Jax. He is fluffy and chubby. I always say nobody calls him chubby. Oh! He fell over. He has, right? This is, I don't know. They always, okay, this is Hershey. She has no white. And they do have their ears open. So this is Grizzly. They look exactly the same. But a little bit white. Here's a boy.